Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Solar Lights outdoor version XMCOSY. XMCOSY is the brand. 1600 lumen solar security lights PIR motion sensor inclusive 5730 Kelvin. IP65 waterproof adjustable dual head LED floodlights for front door, yard, garden, garage, etc. All areas are good to attach this double head solar security light system, indoor and outdoor. But take care, it does not need a power supply because it is solar powered. That means, of course, you should take advantage of the solar panel to get it outside, that the sun can shine over it. It is a unique design. It's just a dual head. XMCOSY Plus Solar Security Light can flexibly adjust the two light heads and motion sensor. Non-planar lampshade design makes the illumination range reaching 270 degrees. The built-in 180 special LED beads provides 1600 lumen meters super bright lighting system. It can perfectly light your areas outside and inside. Yeah, if you have space and attach the solar system to your sun. 20% high conversion rate. Separate polysilicon solar panels obtain solar energy quickly. The built-in 5 times 1800 mAh lithium mAh batteries can produce longer working time than other similar outer solar floodlights on the market. It also can store energy on cloudy days or in areas where sunlight is insufficient. The outdoor LED security lights with upgraded PIR motion sensor can be triggered by moving humans, cars, or animals up to 180 degrees wide sensing angle and maximum to 50 feet sensing range. It brings extra safety and love to a family, yeah. And the solar panel has 16.4 feet long cables. This is awesome. It allows us to place the solar light anywhere we want, indoor or outdoor. IP65 waterproof motion sensor light can withstand various complex outdoor environments and will not affect internal performance. Provide you perfect and safe outdoor lighting here. It looks good and it is really good. 20% high energy transformation ratio and solar powered for saving energy. And the 180 degrees motion sensor range and adjustable double head is really awesome. It's easy to attach and easy to set which direction should be lighted off. It has a flexible installation sync. Just mount the floodlight on the area with done light, then turn on the switch. Job's done. Then wait until the dusk come, the sun is gone, and this light will switch on automatically if some motion is detected. The advanced PIR motion sensor activates by people, animals, and vehicles. Never miss important movement outdoor via the bright light. With 180 pieces of LED lights that provides 1600 lumen meters to light up to 50 feet in pitch dark. And I like it really much because of the waterproof level. IP65 heat-proof and dust-proof of ensuring the durability. Keep lighting up our garden, yard, garage or patio with these outer solar security lights. Oh yeah. XMCOSY Plus LED Solar Motion Security Light provides a sensing angle of a big range and a long distance, 50 feet maximum. This I think is really awesome. And 20% high conversion rate. And it's for free because you need no power supply. You have the sun. The sun will give you enough power for these LEDs. Equipped with 10 volt 2.5 watt polysilicon solar panel, this LED outer solar light optimizes sunlight at day and convert to current conversion rate up to 20%. Wow, it sounds good, and this is good. The Solar Security Light with upgraded PIR motion sensor, which automatically turn off during the day and turn on at the night when movement is detected. This specially designed simple two modes perfectly serve our needs. No need to modify the modes constantly. And, whoa, IP65 waterproof and heat-proof. The heat cannot harm this. Because of the double head, outer solar security lights can withstand rain, snow, and heat weather. Advanced waterproof materials and the dust-proof sealing technology allows them that the solar lights outer is last up to 10 years. 10 years is a long time. And it's really easy. You will get a solar security light system, a solar panel, a 1x16 feet cable, 5 mounting screws, and 5 wall plugs, and it's really easy to install or to attach. I will show you later. And first step, hold the solar panel with the wall mounting bracket against the mounting surface and place marks through the mounting holes. Then place the solar panel down on one side and drill holes at each of these marked holes itself. And then you can attach it with the plugs and the screws. Job's done. Then after it, do the same with two holes. You have to drill 2 holes for the main system, and then you can hang it on these 2 screws. Then attach the wire. This it is. Push the button, okay? That switches is on. Then adjust the LED heads, and that it is. Then wait for the dusk. After then, you can see powerful light. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and have fun with the assembling instruction now. Soon.